Welcome back to our channel, Health Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of beetroot juice and uncovering the top 5 reasons why this ruby red elixir should be your new go-to drink. So grab a glass, and let's get started. 1. Boost stamina. First up, beetroot juice is a stamina superstar. It's packed with nitrates that convert into nitric oxide in the body, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery. This means you can say goodbye to fatigue and hello to enhanced endurance. 2. Heart health hero. Next, it's a heart health hero. The same nitrates that boost your stamina also help lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and strokes. Cheers to a happy, healthy heart. 3. Detoxification dynamo. Thirdly, it's a detoxification dynamo. Beetroot juice contains betalains, which have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They aid in detoxifying your body and protecting your liver. 4. Brain power booster. Moving on to brain health, beetroot juice is a brain power booster. The increased blood flow from those nitrates also benefits your brain, enhancing cognitive function and potentially slowing the progression of dementia. 5. Fitness friend. Lastly, it's a fitness friend. Whether you're an athlete or just enjoy staying active, beetroot juice can reduce muscle soreness after intense workouts and speed up recovery time. There you have it, 5 fantastic reasons to start drinking more beetroot juice. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy.